Hey everybody, Jessica here. I am back, and after months and months of hard work, I am so excited to introduce you to the new Creators Couture subscription. So by now you've scrolled down through and you've seen a little peek of what there is available in the new subscription service. And it's a little bit of everything that will help cover all different types of creativity. So you've got creative tools for those of you who are illustrators or even designers and bloggers to try to help you accent your designs. You've got ready-made illustrations that are ready to go, ready to be dragged and dropped into your designs, whether you create cards or things for sale, or you're making, or you do client work, or you're working on your business blog. And then you've got ready to post social media graphics as well. And then most importantly, and what I really want to focus on a lot, is the exclusive tutorials for members only, where I show you my tips, tricks, and hacks that I've learned over my years of experimenting. So it's really insider's tips for faster creativity, because a lot of what I want to help you do is whatever level you're at, I want to help you increase your creativity. So you've got a ton of resources. I have been working so hard to create all of the resources that are here now, and I am going to be adding new resources every week. I'm listening to what you want, so talk to me on Instagram, send me a message, check out my stories, and give me your feedback and let me know what you want to see. So after scrolling through and seeing all the different things that I have to offer, at the bottom of the sign up page, you're going to have a button here. So basically, membership is controlled via my sister site, dailydesignables.com. And I already have a subscription set up there. And so what you do is you just follow this gold button to become a member today at the bottom of the page, and that's going to take you to a sign up form on Daily Designables. And it looks just like this. So you click here for your membership type. It's the new Creators Couture membership, and it gives you the pricing details. There's intro pricing for a limited time. And this subscription service gives you unlimited downloads on, first of all, you have the whole back collection on dailydesignables.com, which is 400 plus templates that you can use for your clients or social media. And it's all of the templates and resources that are in the members access area in creatorscouture.com. So all that is explained right here. And you just follow this sign up form to set up a profile, and you're just going to have to verify your email, and it will send you to PayPal to set up your subscription. So really it just takes a couple minutes and you're going to be downloading. So once you finish that and get signed up, it's going to you're going to end up in your member dashboard on Daily Designables. So here on Daily Designables is where you can control your membership. You can log out, log in, see your active subscriptions, update your profile, all of that. So once you're logged in, you're golden. Now you can just go, first of all, you could go to Daily Designables. You can check out any of these templates here. There's about 400 plus templates on there. Download all of them. And most importantly, you can access all of the templates that are in this member access area on creatorscouture.com. So all of the exclusive tutorials, all of the ready to create illustrations, and the different tools that I have right here in this member access area, you are able to instantly download all of them. So I will just click on and show you an example. Now I'm already logged in through Daily Designables. And if you're a subscriber, you just click this gold button here to download your product. So if you're already logged in, it'll instantly start downloading. If you happen to have forgotten to log in, it'll just prompt you to log in. Easy as that. And you can see if you're not a member yet, learn more here. And then of course all of my illustrations and all my products you can buy individually, but the subscription is the best value for your money. So You have lots of high-end templates, lots of resources, tools. So I'm super excited to introduce that to you. And that's how easy it is. One thing that I want to point out is that you can, of course, cancel at any time. There are no hostages on this site. If you want to cancel at any time, if you go to here to Daily Designables, the scoop, how to join or cancel, I show you how easy it is to cancel your recurring subscription via PayPal. There's and you can cancel that at any time if you like, but I have a feeling you won't want to. And anytime you need to access your membership dashboard, you just go to dailydesignables.com, go to the login here at the top and click Member Dashboard. And that's going to take you to your member dashboard where you've got your subscriptions and your profile. But mainly you just need to set it up, stay logged in, and forget about it. And then you can be downloading everything that you want in the members access area on creatorscouture.com and everything on the entire site on dailydesignables.com. So thank you guys so much. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And please give me feedback and let me know what kind of products you want to see next.